Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Outlook on your PC. Follow the steps. First, open your Microsoft Outlook in your PC and you have to click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window, and in the sidebar that appears, click on the option which is on the bottom, and in the Outlook option window select the General category, and under the Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office section you have to find the Office theme option which is right here. Click on that and here's that says black. You have to select the black from the list of options and click OK to apply the changes. And after following these steps, the interface of Microsoft Outlook will switch to dark mode, making it easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. And that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.